Hello viewers, in this video you are going to learn how to insert bracket around the matrix in MS Word. So first of all you have to draw a matrix. So go in Insert tab, then in Equation and select bracket from here. Click on this and after that click in the box. It will be selected and then go again in matrix drop down and select. Suppose you are going to write 3 by 3 matrix. Select this. Here you can see 3 by 3 matrix, so you can easily write here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. So this is how you can put bracket around the matrix in MS Word. In the end, please like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.